Hey guys, I'm Jalisa and you're watching an XD tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create an auto-animated toggle switch. A toggle switch in the web, or let's say the UI world, has two states, on and off. And this just implies that the user must choose between two mutually exclusive options. Basically, both can't happen at the same time. We'll create a design for the toggle switch, then prototype and test just to make sure that it works properly. And you can use this in any of your UI projects. I won't be talking through the tutorial, so just try to work with me. Enough of talking, now let's jump right into our video. We've come to the end of our tutorial and I want to thank you all for watching. Hope you were able to learn a new trick. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button.